Alright, what up, y'all? So my last guest just returned the car, and I already completed spraying the Lysol down on all the hot areas. So now I'm gonna show y'all what happens when someone returns the car and it smells like weed. So yeah, I got the car back and it clearly smelled like weed. So I just had to go in and see where the evidence was of weed smoke. And it didn't have like a smoking smell, but you can tell there was weed in the car. And I say no smoke or no weed in the car in my description. So then you go in and you see that there's weed guts. I mean, there's backwood or whatever type of guts they use. It's all right here, and it's not even like cleaned up properly. So what happens when the car is returned with weed, you simply just take pictures of the evidence, complete the trip, and you charge them for the weed smoke. The people were cool. I hate to have to charge them, but this is a business and you can't return a rental car with weed guts under the carpet mat or weed guts inside of the cup holder. Like, there's guts still there. They didn't get the car like this, so they can't return the car like this. I hate to be that person, but I'm charging them. I need that money, so I'm gonna charge them for the cleaning on this, and it's really simple. So yeah, just go and do it. Just upload the photos. If they don't approve it, Turo usually just automatically approves the charges and deposits the money directly into your account. Really simple. Hate to have to do it, but at the end of the day, it's a business, and you gotta make people respect your business the way you respect it. And if you don't respect your business, don't charge them. Let it slide. Then the next person's you're gonna have to let them slide too. But if you respect yourself and you respect your business, make the charge. It's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. Just do it. All right. So I'll actually just show y'all exactly how the process works with charging a smoking fee. So it's pretty simple. You just go to the trip. So it's pretty simple. You just go to the trip and then you select charge for incidentals. Start the invoice, and it's for smoking. And then you have the evidence along with the odor. So you select this one. And then you just add a message, upload the photos, and that's it. Get your money. Check this out. 5 seconds later, it's kind of blurry, but it says your guest has accepted the invoice. Basically, he knew he was wrong. He didn't say nothing because he wasn't going to try to get away with it, but it's that simple. Just get your money. Most of the times people know what they're doing. They're just trying to get away with it, but that's $150. You got to make your money, bro. You're not in this business for charity work. And now I'm going to just simply clean the car out. Big deal. Extra $150. Get your money. Closed mouths don't get fed is the moral of the story. If I didn't ask for that, they definitely would not have offered it. So closed mouths don't get fed. All right, what up, y'all? One last thing. I forgot to mention that I'm doing a $50 Amazon gift card giveaway. All you have to do to be entered is subscribe to my channel and comment giveaway on any of my videos. So again, all you gotta do to be entered into the giveaway is subscribe to my channel and comment giveaway on any of my videos, and I'll enter you into the giveaway. And that's it, man. I appreciate you for supporting. Stay tuned. The content is going to stay consistent every week, doing the Turo videos as well as just business tips and money and credit advice along the way. I appreciate y'all. Later.